Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear browser history in MetaMask. If you want to protect your privacy, reset visited dApps, or troubleshoot issues, then maintaining privacy in crypto wallet is essential for security and smooth performance. First of all, open the MetaMask app on your device and log in. Once you're logged into your wallet, from the main home page, go ahead and tap on the Settings button at the bottom right corner. Under Settings, click on Security and Privacy. Now scroll all the way down from Security and Privacy and get to the Clear Browser History option and tap on Clear Browser History. You can also tap on Clear Privacy History Data and tap Clear, click on Clear Browser Cookies and click on Clear as well. Once you do this will remove cache data and cookies from the dApps you visited. Clearing browsing history does not affect your wallet or funds. Always ensure that your seed phrases or your private key is secure before making changes in MetaMask. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.